First top headlines. Truckload of fertilizer seized in Langthabal hands over to Kagwa police station. No nexus with Kuki militants, says Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts till 5 p.m. today. Hello, welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Now the news in detail. Maira Paibis of Langthabal, Lep, Awang Laikai and adjoining areas seized a truckload of fertilizers at Langthabal on Monday evening when they conducted frisking following the ongoing conflict in the state. As per the Maira Paibis, they came across the truck while they were randomly frisking the passing vehicles. When they inquired the driver of the truck where he was going to deliver the fertilizers, who the dealer is, however, the Maira Paibis were disappointed with the answer of the driver. At this, the Maira Paibis unloaded the fertilizers from the truck and stored at the premises of Ibudo Puthiba temple. Then the Maira Paibis informed the dealer Sarangthem Biramani of Obagai Kaithel Macha to show and approve his genuine documents, including the lifting order and announcement of advertisement from the side of the government. However, instead of convincing the huge crowd, the dealer Biramani showed his attitudes and countered the Maira Paibis, saying he was permitted to leave fertilizers by a state minister. At this, the crowd demanded him to produce the order and carry away all his belongings. The mother gave an ultimatum to the dealer till 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Later in the afternoon, the Maira Paibis decided to distribute fertilizers to the farmers at the government prices, and the money thus collected will be used for relief camps and the village volunteers forces in all directions. In between, Gopen Luwang, President Irabot Foundations and the OC Kagwa Police Station tried their best to settle the misunderstanding but failed. Biramani, the dealer, pleaded Maira Paibis to wait till tomorrow, the 21st of June, to prove his genuineness. However, out of suspicion of influence and forcing, the Maira Paibis refused to wait till tomorrow and decided to hand over the load of fertilizers to Kagwa Police Station. While some unknown persons called up the member of Nupilop, a group of women in charge of distributing PDAs, food grains and other items of the region, and threatened them to come to Faying. The miscreants also warned the members to take their own risks in case the fertilizers are being spoiled or not released for delivery. The Joint Tribe Council (JTC), a conglomeration of Jemi Naga Council Manipur, JED and CM, Lingmai Naga Council Manipur, LNCM, Rongmai Naga Council Manipur RNCM, and Inpui Union Manipur IUM, said today that the burning down of house belonging to a Lingmai Naga at Laimakong on the latter night of June 18 was an orchestrated attack perpetrated by the Cookies. While condemning the incident in the strongest term, the tribe bodies of Rongmai, Liangmai, Inpui and Jemi said that this violent incident targeted the Nagas at Laimakong, despite the Tek Naga house posted at the respective gates was a direct threat to our principle to neutrality situation in the state. The JTC, in a statement made available to New Mind News Network, said, "To our utter shock and dismay, the targeted violent incident of torching houses had happened in front of a main gate of 57 Mountain Division Army headquarters, where hundreds of thousands of military and central forces are stationed. Unfortunately, these armies and central forces remain mute spectators to the orchestrated attack perpetrated by the Cookies," the JTC also said. Now, it is a matter of concern that even in the heavy presence or deployment of military and central forces, if our lives and properties are not safe, then to whom shall we trust upon in $1 million questions? It added. On one hand, on the burning down of a Liangmai Naga house in Laimakong on June 18 by the Cookies, various Liangmai organizations asserted today that they will not remain unmute spectators. The Liangmai Student Unions, Liangmai Pui Naga, Rongdi LPNR, the apex organizations of Liangmai Nagas of Nagaland and Manipur, strongly condemned the incident happened on June 18, where a Liangmai Naga house in Laimakong, Chiangmai was burned down by the Cookies. In separate statement, the Liangmai Naga Rongji said it is unfortunate to learn on the June 18, 2023 at around 12 p.m. midnight at Laimakong, the Cookies burned down a Naga house with full knowledge that it belonged to a Naga family, vandalized the two gates at Laimakong which belonged to Nagas. It is mentioned that despite the presence of a large military personnel and burning houses in front of the main gate of 57th Mountain Division Army Headquarters Laimakong, were hundreds of thousands of central forces stationed there. These military forces remain mute spectators to the attack perpetrated by the Cookies. Once again, the government of Manipur on Tuesday extended the ban on internet in the state by another 5 days till June 25, 2023 in a move to stop the spread of disinformation and false rumors through various social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. in the wake of the ongoing crisis in the state. Following the outbreak of the ethnic clash between two communities in Manipur on May 3, 2023, the government of Manipur banned the internet in the state on May 5, 2023. As on June 2023, the internet ban in the state has completed 47 days. And to thwart the design and activities of anti-national and anti-social elements, and to maintain peace and communal harmony, and to prevent any loss of life or danger to public or private property, it has become necessary to take adequate measures to maintain law and order in public interest by stopping the spread of disinformation and false rumor through various social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., it stated. And to prevent any disturbances of people and a public order in the jurisdictions of the state of Manipur, the ban on internet shall be in force for another 5 days with immediate effect from the time this suspension order becomes operational till 3 p.m. of dated 25/6/2023, the Home Department stated. In an interim order on Tuesday, the High Court of Manipur has directed the government to provide limited internet services to the public in some designated places under the control of the government authorities. The High Court issued a directive on a public interest litigations filed by different individuals and will hear the case again on June 23rd. Amid sporadic incidents of violence, the Manipur government on June 20 extended the suspension of internet services from the 10th time since May 3rd to prevent the spread of rumors and videos, photos and messages which might affect the law and order situation. A division bench of the court comprising Justices Ahanthem Bimol Singh and A. Guneshwar Sharma directed the service providers of Vodafone, Idea, Jio, BSNL and Airtel to file a short affidavit explaining whether there is any feasibility of providing limited internet services to the public by blocking social media, website and by safeguarding the concern of the state government to maintain law and order in the state. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has refuted the allegations of having nexus with the Kuki militants and the suspension of Operation Sioux agreement in Manipur raised by chairman of one of the Sioux groups. In a statement, Himanta said that some baseless allegations have been leveled against him recently in social media posts on understanding with some UG leaders of Manipur. It is reiterated that there is no engagement with any such elements, he clarified. Himanta said that 25 armed groups of Kuki, Jomi, Hamar ethnic communities are under Sioux in Manipur, which was first signed in 2008 by the then Congress government. The appeal mentioned on the social media post is written by the self-styled chairman of one of these groups who was under investigation for his involvement in the arms pilferage case from the armory of 2nd MR in 2018. As the law order situation has been improved gradually in the Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts, curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. today. Markets and the shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the three districts. People rushed to the markets and the shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. The World Meitei Council (WMC) has categorically asserted that it was the Kukis who started the current violence to achieve their nefarious political agenda. Speaking to the media at the Press Club of India today, WMC Chairman Haikruzam Nabashyam and WMC National Spokesperson Navakishore Yumnam presented a detailed account of the violent crisis besieging the state. The desire for more land and power by the immigrant Chin Kuki community has led to the current violence. The demand of separate administration by the Chin community, Kuki in Manipur, is fueled by a bigger plan to realize their dreams of Kukiland, they said. The proposed map of Kukiland consists of parts of Bangladesh, Myanmar and India. The nature and social mobility depicts that they do not possess tribal traits and attributes. Rather, they are cosmopolitan by nature, the WMC leader remarked. They asserted that the scheduled tribe status given by the government of India to the Kuki in Manipur is a blunder, as they are neither indigenous nor aborigines of Manipur. Kuki leaders, intellectuals collectively form the media that the outbreak of the violence is due to the burning down of Kuki Centenary Gate at Laisang village by Meiteis on May 3rd, but there is no Meitei settlement in the area.
We still have not seen the effectiveness of the commitment given by the Honorable Union Home Minister during his last visit in Manipur. He visited on 29 May evening. We also had a meeting in that I and Chairman Sir were present in that meeting with the Honorable Home Minister, and he gave this kind of commitment that he will act on these two militants. But today, it is 20, almost 3 weeks gone. Still, from the government side, they have not done anything. It is very important to know justice should precede peace. Because of the violence now, everyone wants the peace to be restored in the Manipur. But then, the justice should precede peace. If the justice is not done properly to the Meitei, because the Meitei are the sufferer, we were made scapegoat, and we are the sufferer. Unless justice is done to Meitei, there will be no durable peace in Manipur.
Even as the date for opening schools has been deferred to July 1st, students and their parents have opined that the present environment is not conducive and proper measures are required to safely and securely resume normal classes. Many of the students and parents observe that opening schools early before bringing normalcy will not be effective. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकतोरिब session 2023-24 के admission हौजरे Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized तौरबा amadi 5-year service complete ओइरबा Manipur da amatangaiरबा Air Hostess Training Institute amani Class 12 pass तौरबा Mahairoi Singna tungi afaba career amadi aviation industry da संगनिंगबा सिंगना मिंग चनबिबा यारगनी male and female punna apply तौबा यारबा 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba lecture course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operational staff training ground handling loina soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken english and hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation zumba class swimming class amadi airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amadi atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
Lana Thauram Malem Taibang Panasida Ekoi Kwaigi Irakta Tinjaramba Laishram Bankim Chandra Atopamaming Abung Mathaina Magi Nungsijaraba Imung Manong Sagainatay Amadi Maruk Mapang Kwai Pumna Mapu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chaichet Tara Hundoi Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kungu Hundoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leba Popanumita Kamen Loki Aigezang Kunda Tokiba Laibaktiba Thaudokta Taibang Chengjel Loiraduna Tengban Mapugi Leikolda Leirang Leinam Oina Tinkre Lakliba Chaichet Taramapan Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kungu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Nongmapanba Ningthauka Banumita Mangani Leihun Tamjaraga Lakliba Chaichet Kungamanga Thataruk Kumja Rising Aniga Kungu Hundoi Kumja Ingengi Taret Nipanba Nomaizing Numita Lana Tharom Thokle Numit asida leikidrabagi thawaina Tengbanba Mapugi Leikolda Ingna Chikna Leijarunaba Angamba Kharadang Lamjaduna Taibang Mapugi Ngaklau Khada Sidaba Mapugi Mingkhai Rolga Loinana Katjagadori Thoromasida Ahan Laman Ima Iben Maruk Mapang Amadi Iche Ichal CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Ima Loop Sing Pumnamakna Matam Chana Lingbidaktuna Sidaba Mapugi Mingkhai Rol Tambiranaba Elite TV gi Khotangda Pauzenjari Lana Thoramasi Imungi Pibam Namaram Oiduna Imung Manong Neta Club Amadi Khulon Ironaba Laikai Sing CSO Sing Club Sing Amadi Lamdam Sigi Imalup Singalunina Pangthok Jaragani Pauzenjariba Imung Manung Amadi Neta Thoram Mafam Kangla Sangom Sang Awang Laikai Community Hall Imphal East Phone number 7005259973 Amadi 9366576106
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College gi na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum, quality education bu pamjaba mairoi Mama Mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bi ho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani. Admission open. Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong. Manipur laiba CBSE da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur ki Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi mingjanba hojare. School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba National Thaki awardee kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni. Leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingjanjagani. Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathakta phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani. Smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani. Khangdriba fawba takpigani. Leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani. Class 11 gi admission fee lupalising manga loinana prospectus lupachani punna lupalising manga chani khaktani. Akopa morol gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu.
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tawba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhai amadi kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare. Ahan by admission tawba satra chamada textbook lemna phanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taruk oigani. Bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facilities su leigani. Akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhai office da lakpiu.
Lanna Thauram Malem Taibang Palasida Aikhoi Khwai Pumnamakka Loinaramba Yumnam Surjit Kumar Meitei Laishram Suresh Meitei Moirangthem Heman Meiteina Mapugi Sintha Loiraduna Aikhoi Pumnamakpu Thadok Lamlaga Haukiba Chaichat Tara Humdoi Taruk English Aniga Kunga Humdoi Kumja Ingagi Kunga Mangani Panba Leibak Pokpa Numitta Makhoigi Thawaina Mapugi Leikolda Leirangi Leinam Oina Tinkre ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ ꯇꯔꯥꯅꯤꯄꯥꯟ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯏꯪ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯒ ꯀꯨꯟꯒ ꯍꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯃꯉꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯨꯟ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ ꯀꯨꯟꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯏꯪ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯒ ꯀꯨꯟꯒ ꯍꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏ ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯨꯛꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯖ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯒꯩ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟ ꯀꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯖꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯇꯔꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯈꯩ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯂꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯠ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 9 ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 9 ꯏꯁꯩ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯇꯅꯧꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯨꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯏꯕꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯁꯨꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯑꯣꯡꯕꯤ ꯉꯧꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯃ ꯍꯦꯃꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯆꯥꯈꯨꯜ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. Employees Provident Fund Organization has said that EPFO has added 17,20,000 net members in April this year as compared to net additions of 13,40,000 members during March 2023. Out of 17,20,000 members, around 8,47,000 new members have come under the Social Security coverage of EPFO for the first time. Among the newly joined members, the age group of 18 to 25 years constitute 54.15% of the total new members added during the month. The age group of 18 to 25 years indicates that the majority of the members joining organized sector workforce of the country are mostly first-time job seekers. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Chief of Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar joined the Naval and Defence personnel on board INS Vikrant for the International Day of Yoga celebrations at the Cochin shipyard this morning. Nearly 700 personnel, including several women, participated in the event. The Defence Minister felicitated the yoga instructors on the occasion. Mr. Singh will also inaugurate the state-of-art ship handling simulator at the naval base later. The Defence Minister, who is on a 2-day visit to Kochi last night, released electronic navigation charts of Port Blair and Mauritius at the function organized on board the hydrography survey vessel INS Jamuna to mark World Hydrography Day. The Union Cabinet has cleared U.S. chipmaker Micron Technologies' $2.7 billion plan for a new semiconductor testing and packaging unit, Reuters reported on Tuesday, ahead of PM Narendra Modi's state visit to the U.S. Production-linked incentives worth $1.37 billion were approved for the plant, reportedly set to be built in Gujarat. Cabinet approval was required due to incentive package size. Former U.S. National Security Advisor NSA John Bolton called Prime Minister Narendra Modi a global leader. Commenting on a PM Modi's first state visit to the U.S., Bolton said that PM Modi has got strong opinions on a lot of subjects. One of the subjects that I think will be discussed in Washington will be trade relations between the two countries. A man identified as Ankush Datta allegedly stayed at Rosette House in Aero City for nearly 2 years from May 2019 to January 2021 and checked out without paying the 58 lakh rupees bill. The FIR claimed that colluded with hotel staff, including one Prem Prakash, to deprive the hotel of its rightful dues. He allegedly gave 3 checks, but they bounced. As per a paper published in Nature Communications, scientists have created a tiny pangolin-inspired magnetic robot that can move around the human body and perform minimally invasive medical procedures. It is capable of hitting up hard-to-reach places like intestine or delivering cargo to tissue, scientists suggested. The hit could be used for performing cancer treatment or to mitigate bleeding. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu namit mga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anauba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Ako pamorol gidamak na simaglengsin biro Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
SS Career Solution na chahitara hena kunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudom chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba kunai ama oiraknaba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu iburgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambela mada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chatliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission housare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani akopa morol gidama 9856575163 college address pangai opposite MPTC da lengbirak ngasimak kudong saba silobiu
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. The Pentagon said an accounting error resulted in overestimations of the value of weapons and equipment sent to Ukraine by $6.2 billion over the last 2 years. Final calculations show that in the current fiscal year, there was an error of $3.6 billion. In 2022, there was an error of $2.6 billion, Pentagon spokesperson Sabrina Singh said. The White House said India will be a critical strategic partner for the U.S. in the coming decades. U.S. National Security Council Coordinator for Strategic Communication and SCCSC John Kirby said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the country will affirm the deep and a close partnership between the two nations. Mr. Kirby said India's growing commitment to play a more engaged international role, including in the Indo-Pacific Quad, demonstrates a new and a growing willingness to join the United States to protect and advance a shared vision of a free, open and rule-based global order. He said that building resilient supply chains for clean energy technologies, semiconductors and other critical and emerging technology, countering climate change and food security, there is no partner more consequential than India. The official state visit of the Prime Minister will affirm the deep and close partnership between the US and India and the warm bonds of family and a friendship that link Americans and Indians together, he told reporters at the Foreign Press Center. The NSCCSC said after a year of strengthening ties, the US-India partnership is deeper and more expansive than it has ever been in the past. Indian men's football team will take on Pakistan in Staff Championship 2023 at Sri Kanti River Stadium in Bengaluru this evening. The match will start at 7:30 p.m. The 8 teams which was taken part in the 4th editions of the Staff Championship have been divided into 2 groups. A Group A comprises India, Kuwait, Nepal and Pakistan, while Group B consists of Lebanon, Maldives, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Kuwait will take on Nepal in the tournament opener earlier in the day. Sunil Chetri led India are the highest ranked team in Group A. They are 101 in the FIFA ranking. Kuwait are world number 143, followed by Nepal at 174. Nepal were the runners-up in the last editions of 2021. Pakistan are ranked lowest in 195th. The group stage will be played in a single round-robin format. The top 2 teams from each group will then play the semi-final on 1st of next month. The final is scheduled for the 4th of the next month. India have won Staff Championship 8 times and are the most successful teams in the tournament. For ELITETV News channel, contact to the email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Truckload of fertilizer seized in Langthabal hands over to Kakwa police station. No nexus with Kuki militants, says Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. And the curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur districts till 5 p.m. today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.